I'm about to show you how you can make videos that bring more viewers, generate more leads, and make more sales by simply clicking with your mouse. And yes, you will be able to make promotional videos, advertising videos, and even sales videos. Plus, we made sure you do not need any video creation experience at all. Hi, it's Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you new software called Promoyze, which we've been working on for the past 13 months. Promoyze is a new, first-of-its-kind, groundbreaking app, which allows you to create full-length promotional videos by simply click and swap. It's that easy. No video creation or technical skills is required. It allows even complete beginners to create professional full-length promo, ad, and sales videos with just a few simple mouse clicks. Just select Promoyze video template, swap content, and it's done. You get 100 ready-made marketing video templates, which allow you to make videos by simply click and swap. Promoyze app makes full-length promotional videos, advertising videos, and even sales videos creation super easy and fast, without the need for a video creator or creating it all yourself. We used to pay $400 over and over again for just a single full-length promotional video. On top of that, it often took us a few weeks of going back and forth with the video creator before the video looked the way we intended. After struggling with promo video creators so many times, we thought there had to be a better way. And Promoyze software was born. With Promoyze, you can create full-length promotional videos, advertising videos, and even sales videos in minutes. You just choose Promoyze video template that you want, click and swap, and then let Promoyze app make the video for you. People love Promoyze not only for amazing marketing videos it creates, but also because it is so easy to use that even the complete newbie can make great-looking videos in minutes. The marketing videos made by Promoyze software grab attention, hold it, and then convert viewers to buyers. The previous generation of video creators force you to use small elements to painfully create a video, which ends up looking bad anyway for most non-experienced video creators. It all changes with Promoyze. Promoyze does not force you to add small elements or anything like that. All 100 Promoyze click and swap marketing video templates have been crafted by the best professional video creators under the supervision of professional marketers, and the result is absolutely incredible. Not only do you get fascinating, eye-catching full-length marketing videos your visitors love, but more importantly, they are designed for maximum conversion to both leads and sales. Promoyze software will change the way promotional, advertising, and sales videos are created. But we want to give you more than just an ultra-easy-to-use video creator. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs all could pay $400 for the same type of videos which you can make with Promoyze in just minutes. The Promoyze commercial license allows you to cash on the fact that most entrepreneurs and business owners do not have time, skill, or patience to create full marketing and ad videos themselves, and instead they hire freelancers and pay for their service. It means that with Promoyze in your toolbox, you could get $400 for minutes of work over and over again. Since every business now needs promo, ad, and sales videos, the market is enormous. You can sell marketing video creation services on Fiverr, Upwork, other freelancer sites, and even market them to local businesses in your area. The market for video creation is truly almost infinite. And because making marketing videos with Promoyze is so easy, there is no limit to the amount of videos that you can create and sell. Save time and money making high-converting videos in minutes for yourself or your clients using the effortless and most advanced click-and-swap video creator, Promoyze. With Promoyze, you'll be able to create high-quality converting promotional videos, advertising videos, sales videos, and you will never need to pay a video creator again. And with the Promoyze revolutionary click-and-swap technology, you are going to be creating marketing videos easier than anybody else. We have big things planned for Promoyze and expect to sell massive numbers of copies across the world at a much higher price. But unlike the general public, which will be paying way more after the introductory offer ends, you can invest today and get instant access to the Promoyze app, together with the stunning 100 click and swap Promoyze video templates library for an extremely discounted price. What you have to do right now is to get Promoyze by clicking the buy button before the price goes up. Oh, and don't forget, you are protected with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. We are so extremely confident that you will love Promoyze that there is no risk here. You can get started right now. Go ahead and click on that button below, and we will see you on the other side.